Good morning, dear students. Struggling with PDFs and their submission? Well, I'm here to sort it all for you. So let us learn an easy way to make a PDF and post the same to the classroom. So let's begin. First of all, you need to download a PDF converter app on your phone from the Play Store. Like I have used Adobe Scan, there are various other apps in the Play Store, so you may download an app of your own choice. Now, as I click on Adobe Scan, you may see a camera will open up automatically. You just need to click the pics using the camera of Adobe Scan. Now see, I am taking pics. This is the first pic. Then this is the second pic. And here it is the third pic. Now you can see the pics are getting collected in a folder just in the right corner. Can you see? Now click on that folder. Now as you click on the folder, your pics will come in a serial order. You should click in a serial order, and while taking the pics, you may see that you are covering each and every corner of the page properly. Now rename it. You can see the pen. Click on the pen, and here you may change the name of your assignment. It's always better to write your name or roll number, whatever your teacher has asked you to do. Once you have renamed it, click OK, and you can see in the top right corner, Save PDF. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will start saving it. It may take time to save, but you need to be patient. Once it's saved, you can see the options next to it: share, Acrobat, comment, more. So you can click on the share option. Then share as a copy. And you may see, as you click on share as a copy, the Classroom app also comes there. Click on the Classroom app. Your class will appear on the screen. Now, in case you have brothers and sisters, there may be 2 or 3 classes in your phone. You need to select your own class. For that, you may select this arrow mark on the blue line. Then you may select your class, 6th D, 7th D, 8th D, whichever your class is. Right now I am selecting demo class. As you select your class, 2 options will be there: new post or attached to assignment. We are going to select attached to assignment. After that, all the assignments which are given to your class will appear here. Maths, science, English, Hindi, whichever assignments are there, it will come here. You need to select your assignment for which you have made the PDF. So I am selecting SST assignment. As I select, my PDF automatically starts attaching itself, right? And you can see your work here. You need to click on this arrow. Here I have clicked and see in your work my PDF is already there. That means I am able to attach my PDF to the assignment given by the teacher. I will just select hand in and my work is over. That's all. This is the easiest way to send your PDF to the classroom. Well, there is another way in which you go to your classroom, select your assignment and reach to this particular page, your work. You can see this add attachments here. If you click on it, these many options will be there. So you can attach it from your drive also. We have come from Adobe Scan to the classroom. You can do another way also. From classroom, you can post the PDF from your drive. That's all. The choice is up to you. You want to attach it from the drive or directly from the PDF you post it to the classroom. Simply hand in and your work is submitted now. I hope this video is helpful in solving your problem. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you.